Git. Refusing to merge unrelated histories. What does refusing to merge unrelated histories mean? This error happens when Git detects that two branches or repositories do not share a common commit history. It means your local repo was created separately, or the remote repo was created separately, or both have different starting commits, or Git cannot find a common ancestor. So refusing to merge unrelated histories equals two projects with different origins plus Git blocks merge for safety. Why this error matters? It is important because Git prevents accidental data overwrite. History could be corrupted. Wrong files could be merged. Conflicts may appear. Project structure can break. Without protection, cross-mark files may be replaced. Cross-mark history becomes confusing. Cross-mark bugs are introduced. Cross-mark data may be lost. Cross-mark merge becomes risky. With protection, checkmark Git stops unsafe merges. Checkmark forces user review. Checkmark prevents silent damage. Checkmark maintains history integrity. Checkmark ensures safe merging. Why you might see this error? This usually happens when you created a local repo first. You created a remote repo first. You cloned nothing and started fresh. You connected two separate projects. You added a new remote manually. Without fix. Crossmark you cannot merge. Crossmark push fails. Crossmark pull fails. Crossmark work is blocked. Crossmark confusion happens. With fix, checkmark histories can be joined. Checkmark code can be merged. Checkmark work continues. Checkmark repository becomes unified. Checkmark collaboration works. Typical situations where this happens. Common scenarios. Local repo initialized first. Remote repo initialized first. Imported project into Git. Connected existing project to GitHub. Cloned wrong repository. Example. Local repo has commits. Remote repo has commits. Both started separately. Why? No shared root commit. Git sees two different timelines. Merge is blocked. Basic troubleshooting steps. First checks. Check commit history. Confirm repository origin. Verify correct remote. Check branch names. Inspect merge target. Why? Avoid merging wrong repo. Prevent data loss. Choose correct history. Understand conflict source. Fix 1. Merge with allow-unrelated histories. Use when you are sure both projects belong together. Result. Git allows the merge. Why? Joins two histories. Keeps all commits. Enables collaboration. Warning danger. Crossmark conflicts may appear. Crossmark wrong repo can be merged. Crossmark files may overwrite. Good practice. Checkmark backup first. Checkmark review conflicts. Checkmark commit carefully. Fix 2. Reclone and copy files. Use when you want clean history. Result. Single clean commit history. Why? Removes confusion. Keeps repo simple. Avoids history pollution. Bad practice. Crossmark force merge blindly. Crossmark ignore commit history. Crossmark skip verification. Good practice. Checkmark clone remote. Checkmark copy project files. Checkmark commit fresh. Fix 3. Reset remote history. Advanced. Use when you want local history to replace remote. Result. Remote history is replaced. Why? Clean start. Remove wrong commits. Align repo. Warning danger. Crossmark deletes remote history. Crossmark affects collaborators. Crossmark can cause data loss. Good practice. Checkmark only if repo is new. Checkmark notify team. Checkmark backup first. Daily workflow to avoid this error. Safe workflow. Clone before coding. Don't initialize twice. Use one main repo. Add remote early. Pull before push. Why? Single history. Fewer conflicts. Cleaner repo. Safe merges. Common mistakes that cause this error. Creating two repos. Initializing twice. Manual folder copy. Wrong remote URL. Merging wrong branch. Why? Histories diverge. Merge becomes blocked. Confusion increases. Repository history structure. Good structure. Single origin. Main branch. Feature branches. Bad structure. Two root commits. Copied repos. Multiple unrelated roots. Why? Easy merging. Clear history. Safe collaboration. How this error affects teams. When handled wrong. Lost commits. Broken merges. Overwritten code. Delays. When handled right. Checkmark unified history. Checkmark stable repo. Checkmark safe merges. Checkmark team confidence. Real-life analogy. Unrelated histories is like trying to combine two different notebooks. Notebook A equals one project. Notebook B equals another project. Git says, these are not the same book. In simple words, refusing to merge unrelated histories means two projects started separately. Git blocks unsafe merge. You must confirm merge manually. Fix equals. Verify repo. Allow merge safely. Resolve conflicts. Continue work. Best practices. Use. Checkmark clone before coding. Checkmark single repo origin. Checkmark pull before push. Checkmark review history. Checkmark backup before merge. Avoid. Crossmark creating multiple repos. Crossmark force merging blindly. Crossmark ignoring commit history. Crossmark wrong remote setup. This error helps you protect history, avoid overwrites, prevent bad merges, ensure safe collaboration. A good Git workflow. Checkmark starts from one origin. Checkmark maintains clean history. Checkmark avoids confusion. Checkmark supports teamwork. Checkmark builds confidence.